everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iTunes Store not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. The iTunes Store is the only way to safely buy and download your favorite songs, TV shows, movies and podcasts on your iPhone. But what if your iPhone cannot connect to iTunes Store after iOS 17 update? There could be several reasons why you are having this issue. We'll run down some possible solutions to the problem here, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is iTunes Store's down. iTunes Store is not working on iPhone after a 17 update could be due to many reasons. Let's start with the one that might save your hours. While not all that common, iTunes Store is not exempt from outages. There is a chance iTunes is down, and checking the service status is simple. Head over to the Apple system status page and make sure that the dot next to iTunes Store is green. If the dot is red or orange, take a break and try using the iTunes Store after some time, and you are done. Force quit and relaunch iTunes Store. Minor iOS 17 glitch may cause the iTunes Store to crash. The best way to resolve this is to force quit the iTunes Store and relaunch it. To force quit the iTunes Store, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and you will see the thumbnail previews of all the open apps. Swipe up the iTunes Store app card to close it. This will also purge its cache. And the next step is turn your iPhone off and back on. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off and wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is check your date and time settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on date and time. Next, make sure the switch next to set automatically is turned on, and you are done. Are you using a VPN on your iPhone while trying to open the iTunes Store? Some VPNs may not allow you to access iTunes Store on your iPhone. For this, go to settings and then tap on VPN and then tap on status toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. Problems are a common reasons of iTunes Store not working on iPhone. Connecting to the iTunes Store requires an internet connection either through Wi-Fi, cellular or via hotspot. Open the settings app, tap on Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi toggle button to turn it off. Wait for some time and then tap on its toggle button again to turn on. You are done. And the next step is update your Apple ID details. You need a valid payment information and contact details linked to your Apple ID accounts to purchase anything from iTunes Store. For this, go to settings, then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, tap on payment and shipping. Next, tap on back. From here, tap add payment method to add a payment method or use edit to edit your existing methods, and you are done. And the next step is sign out of iTunes and back in. Go to settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top, scroll down and then tap on sign out and enter your Apple ID password and confirm, and then sign back in and see if iTunes Store is now working, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. Go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iTunes Store not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.